Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back once again on this channel, just like always. And on today's video, we are live in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And on this video, we are going to take you guys around the major streets of Awka, talking about the major roads and also show you the progress that have been recorded so far within the city. Yes, when we talk of road construction, I mean accessible roads, Awka has gotten it, and it has gotten it very, very right. Also, recently, if you look around all of this place now, you will notice that street light has been fixed in this particular road. Where we are right now is the immigration road that leads to Book Foundation Junction in Ifitoka. Okay, so yeah, if you notice, we came in from the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, and that is the Ezuzu Junction or the Immigration Junction. That is the road where we are in right now, and it is taking us straight to the Book Foundation in Ifite. So guys, our roads in Awka have been accessible. Also, we have had recently street lights being fixed in most of the roads within the city. So from this particular road, we are going to take you also towards the Unizik Junction and through Obiokol Avenue, straight down to Okpuno in Awka. We are also going to look at the progress that have been recorded so far on that particular road. We are talking about Soludo's administration putting things that have been wrong to become right in this capital city. Truly and sincerely, I must tell you that our capital city is looking more like a capital city, unlike what it used to be before now. Yes, our roads are now accessible. Talking about most of the roads within this city are properly constructed and also accessible, and it's making movement so easy and friendly and stress-free. I'm telling you, driving within Awka city now is enjoying. You know, if you used to be in Awka 4-5 years ago, 6-7 years ago, probably you should know what I'm talking about. The roads then were really terrible and unbearable. But what we have now is truly a capital city, and this is all thanks to the current administration, talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State. And also, if you look closely, for those of us of you who normally complain about road sweeping, yes, you would see that there are more of the road sweepers on our roads recently. Yes, we have noticed that more of these road sweepers have been employed to make sure that our roads are sand free, and gradually they are doing justice to that already. Yes, we have a lot of road sweepers in our roads recently, and all thanks to the Soludo's administration. Yes, Awka roads are receiving proper attention as we speak right now, and I'm certain that it's not just Awka, but most of the major cities in Anambra State are also receiving this kind of attention as we speak at the moment. So guys, just in case this is the first time I'm coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. So over here we are in Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, and we are approaching the Unizik Junction. So we are going to take the Obiokol Avenue straight down to Okpuno. Yes, so that we'll also see what has been done on this road. So recently, the Anambra State government is actually championing the security challenges in Anambra State, and fixing of this street light is also one of the apparatus that is necessary to combat insecurity in the state. So if you look closely also on this particular road, you will notice that similar street lights have also been mounted on these roads. Yes, if you come around this city at night, everywhere is being lit up. You wouldn't notice much of darkness in the city. The thing is, even when there is no light, you wouldn't really know that there isn't light, because everywhere will just look bright and shiny, and also that will help, to combat insecurity within the city. So over here, this is the junction that also leads into Abakaliki Street, or the Club Street in Awka. So we are going to go down street so that you keep seeing what we are talking about. So in like manners, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your recommendations. I would love to hear your ideas. Yes, we would love to hear whatever it is you think about this current progress that is being recorded within the capital city of Anambra State. Please, we would love you to share with us on the comment section so that we all would be on the same page. And also, if you know things that we don't know about what is going on within the city, please do well to share with us. So guys, over here you can see that we are in Awka right now, and also this street light continues up till the area this road ended completely. So it's a very good one coming from this administration, and I must tell you the way it is, I'm so impressed with what Soludo is doing in Anambra State at the moment. This is changing the narrative entirely. Yes, transforming this city is not a joke, guys. What he has done in Awka in particular is massive and impressive. I must tell you guys the way it is. Yes, so you can also notice that this street light is still continuous. Yes, it continues. And it's so beautiful to see that this governor really has the people at heart. Also, just in case you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Remain blessed, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, just in case you have not subscribed already. Enjoy the rest of the video.